I hope you all are doing well. I am Ramsha Farooq once again with you with my new video today, which is the recipe video in our segment of Learn to Cook. Today we are going to make chicken curry recipe by Malka Foods. Now let's begin with a list of ingredients. We need 3 medium-sized onions chopped, Malka food chicken curry mix 1 packet, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 750 grams to 1 kg chicken with bones, 250 grams yogurt, half cup cooking oil. In a wok, add half cup oil, in oil add onions and stir fry it till golden brown. When onions are golden brown, add ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons and mix it. After that, add chicken. After adding chicken, stir fry it with onions and oil. And mix properly. Now add Malka food chicken curry. 1 packet of Malka food chicken curry in the chicken. And mix again. After mixing it, add 250 grams of yogurt, 1 glass water and mix it for 2 minutes. After that, cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Then cover the lid and cook it for 15 minutes. Malka chicken curry is ready to serve. Garnish it with coriander leaves, green chilies and lemon. Serve it with flatbread or rice. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon on the top of the channel for more interesting and informative content. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.